Hey guys, I just wanted to have a talk because recently, it's a can, basically, so I've been uploading plenty of videos, fans love it, yeah, and I've been doing great. I've been getting a lot of love, getting all the emails, yeah, and I've recently noticed that I'm the only one who's been posting, and it seems like you guys all hate me and hate the can because of how popular I've gotten. And, normally I would lash out and be all mad because you guys hate me, but I'll use this as an opportunity to ask you guys to make a video for the can. So right now I want you to open your phone, click the record button, and start, reading the ABCs. Or counting to as high as, you can count or something. Recently I did the animal facts, which did great, and I think if you were to do a video like that, you would get to the likes of mine, get the good videos, and yeah, this is more of a tutorial video for the rest of the people on the can, because clearly they need a bit of help. They're all, they don't post very often. They stay quiet here. They don't do much. I run the channel, I do the posting, I respond to the fans, and the work's worth it. Maybe a lot of work, might not get any money, but the love and affection I get is, it's totally worth it for how much work I put into these videos, because, trust me guys, it's a lot. That animal facts video, man, took a while for me to make. Took a lot of studying, had to read a couple books, went on to Google. Yeah, see you guys later in the next video. Hopefully the next video will be a ABCs or number video from not me, maybe itchy numbers or